These glasses can take a picture, record a video, replace my headphones, which means I can go on a call, listen to music, and my favorite, listen to audiobooks on the go. Yep, I finally got myself some Meta glasses. So this cost me just under $600 AUD. The first thing that got me was the quality of the camera, which is a 12 megapixel, which allows you to take some really high quality videos that you can post directly onto TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So this is just what it looks like through the glasses. And once you've taken a video or a picture, it automatically syncs up with your phone app that you can download and import that straight into your gallery. And the thing that got me was that I can actually take videos in the moment as opposed to pulling out my camera, fiddling around with it and missing that moment. Whereas now I can just enjoy it through my glasses simply by saying, "Hey Meta, record a video." Okay, Meta, stop. So this is really cool if you're doing a POV type of video where you need your hands free and you can just use your glasses. I actually chose the transition glasses so that when I go out into the sun, it will turn dark, as opposed to getting the dark one, because if I'm like indoors, people will be like, "Why are you wearing sunglasses?" And I can't secretly record. Just kidding. You will know if I'm recording because there will be a light. So for example, okay Meta, take a picture. All you need to do to charge it is pop it back into the case and plug it into a USB. Check out how beautiful this case is. If you don't want to do voice control, there's a little button over here where you can click to take a photo or record a video. And if you want to turn the volume up or down, you just slide across. You can ask it, "Hey Meta, what's the weather today?" And they're going to be launching more AI features in the future where you can just ask it questions. But overall, I am super happy with this purchase and I can't wait to see what comes next. Let me know in the comments, would you buy this?